crafting friends, thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US. I've got a great tip to share with you today. Before we get started, please excuse my hands. I was working on a technique for today because it is Friday, and on Fridays I like to either do a tip, a technique, or a trick. But it didn't kind of work out that way, so I changed my video for today. I just want to first give a shout out to all my new subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. So for today's tip, a lot of the times we create a bow and we cut away some excess and we have a little piece of ribbon left over. Don't throw these away, you guys, because you can upcycle them and turn them into cute little bows. But just a fun way to save your scraps instead of throwing them in the trash. On this one here, I basically just folded the ribbon in half and tied it with baker's twine. And then on this one here, I just basically tied the baker's twine and put it into a knot. You can put a little bow over here, but for today's video, I'm just going to tie it into a knot. I have some very vanilla baker's twine. The ribbon I'm using today is the shimmer ribbon, and this is the Pool Party. You're going to feed your ribbon through, and you are just going to tie it into a knot, just like so. You're going to fix it a little bit, and then you're going to take your paper snips, cut away the excess. Super cute, you guys, but just a fun way to upcycle those little scraps of ribbon instead of throwing them away. You're going to grab yourself a glue dot and attach your little bow to your project. So next time, don't throw those away, save them. They do make cute little bows for your projects. Thank you so much for watching my video today. If you enjoyed this video, you guys, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. If you're in the US and you're interested in purchasing any of the Stampin' Up! Products that I did use in today's video, I will have them linked down in the description below. I will also have a detailed description over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over there. And I hope everybody has a wonderful and safe weekend. We will see you back here Monday. Thanks for stopping by. Take care.